Alright guys, so my hair looks a little wild. I just got finished exercising, so I'm getting ready to get my lashes done by my daughter. She is getting ready to do my hair, do my lashes. So we're going to be using the brand Kiss, and it is I Envy. Wait, is the brand Kiss? No, Premium I Envy. So you can see in the middle, it does mention that it is short. So these are the individual. I got these from my beauty supply store, Ebony. So if you are in the Tampa area, you know. So she's going to put these in. These are the Ultra Black Ultimate Volume. I did try this 2 years ago. I didn't really care for it, and I don't like the strips because it's just too much to handle. So she's going to apply these with hair glue, which I don't really care for, but the other lash glue doesn't really hold. So apparently this hair glue holds. So we're going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you a little bit of her doing the process, and I'm going to show you the end results, and then I'm going to show you the next day once I have my makeup and everything on and my hair is actually done. Okay? Okay. A hair glue, some tweezers, and that's it, right?
Yeah.
Isn't her nails pretty, y'all? Oh my gosh, they so cute. Time to start putting the lashes in.